Alright, JS2 students, this is your Igbo third term lesson. JS2 student, this is your Igbo third term lesson. In our first lesson, we did comprehension, which we talked about Chinagorom and the family. So today we'll be looking into another topic, which is nkọwa ihe bụ ụbịam na agụụ. Nkọwa ihe bụ ụbịam na agụụ. Explanation of what is poverty and the hunger. Poverty and the hunger. That is what we are going to be discussing this minute. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Subscribe to the channel now. Waiting for you. Please do that now. Like our videos, and that bell icon that is there, click on it so that anytime we release a new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much. Okay, we are going to start. I will read and as well explain to you, because I believe some of you are not Igbo, are not from Igbo extraction. Okay, so the first listing there, ụzọ ihe atọ kacha dị mmadụ mkpa na ndụ bụ nri, uwe na ebe obibi. It says that the three things that are very important in human life is nri is food, uwe is clothes, na ebe obibi. Ebe obibi is where you will live, which is shelter. Okay, let's continue. Ụbịam bụ ọnọdụ enweghị ihe atọ ndị a. Now it says poverty, it is when you don't have these three or these necessary things that I've just mentioned here, which is food, when you don't have food, when you don't have clothes, when you don't have where to live. That means you are poor to the grass. Right? Ụbịam ọnụ ntụ bụ na olile anya inwe ya adịghị ma ọlị. Now we have another extension of poverty, which in Igbo we call it ụbịam ọnụ ntụ, which means that people that are poor may have hope of getting those three basic needs of human being. But people that are ụbịam ọnụ ntụ means that you have no hope. The person has no hope of getting those three needs of man or human being. Right. Agụ, the next paragraph. Agụụ bụ mmadụ enweghị ike inweta ihe ọ chọrọ ma ọ bụ gboo mkpa ya. So you now say that hunger is when somebody is not able to get what he or she wants, or is not able to solve his or her problem. That is hunger. Or when you don't have food, that's where hunger as well. Now, after that I stopped at that full stop. I continue from O. Onye egotelighị ụgbọala gaa ụlọ akwụkwọ lụọ ụlọ, a ga-asị na ihe ndị a gụrụ ya agụụ. Now, you now go further to say that if someone could not buy, is not able to buy a car or go to school as you are doing now, as you are learning now. There are some people who don't even have the means. They don't even think education. Yes. Or build a house. Then they will now say that they will need these things, but because of fund, they are not able to do it. So you should thank God and thank your parents for sending you to school. Developing education school system is an avenue to develop your mind. You learn so many things and you organize it, and that's when you become a human being. All right, so thank God and thank your parents. Okay, this classwork here or evaluation say gịnị bụ ụbịam? What is ụbịam? Gịnị bụ ụbịam means what is ụbịam? Number 2, depụta ihe ise nwere ike ịgụ mmadụ ka o nwee na ndụ ya. Now it means write out 5 things that somebody desire to have in his or her life. Now enter into another subtopic, which is ihe na-ebute ụbịam na agụụ, things that can cause or that could cause poverty and hunger. Number 1 is anaghị agba mbọ. Yes, if you are not working hard, if you are not a hard worker, if you are not a hustle, then wait for poverty. Poverty will hit you and hunger will hit you. So please don't be a hard worker. As you are growing, believe in hard work, believe in hustling. From there, you become a reasonable human being. Okay, number 2, nkwarụma ọ bụ ọrụsị. Ọrụsị. This one is talking about when in fact somebody is disabled. Disabled people, some of them, they are poor because they could not be able to work. That is why. Okay, number 3, gọọmenti ndị na-eri ego obodo na ego ọrụ ndị rụrụ ha ọrụ. You see? So government that eat or that embezzles people's money and the money of the people that work for them. Yes. Those things can cause what? Poverty in the society. Then number 4, mmadụ amaghị akara aka. Mmadụ amaghị akara aka ya. Now number 4 is talking about if you don't know your destiny, if you don't know your future, your destiny, that is when poverty will hit you and hunger will hit you. So that's why you are in school system. So many subjects, so many things you learn so many things. So from what you learn, you have so many experiences in school. You have so many clubs that you people go in school. So from those things, you'll be able to discover your talent and pursue and develop your talent. Okay? Number 5 is itiboribo means illiterate. When you allow yourself to have a blockhead, when you don't love knowledge, when you don't pursue knowledge, that is when poverty will hit you so bad, because it is what you know that will feed you today and tomorrow. Yes, what you know, and you are able to apply that in which you know. Is able to know. If you know how to bake cake, yes, you have gathered the knowledge. Now, when you apply it and produce that cake, you can sell it and make money, and poverty will run away. The same thing goes to other skills. So that is the thing. So please go and learn 1 or 2 skills, then you market it, then poverty will run away from your life. Okay? And number 6, ihe mberede dịka ọkụ ịgba ihe mmadụ, accident. Sometimes somebody's house or property or business may got burnt by fire. From there, the person will go to square 1 and start to suffer poverty. Okay? Number 7, ịmụ ọtụtụ ụmụ. Yes. When a family gives birth to so many children, like 30 children or 12 children, and you know that you cannot cater for them all, what will happen? 2 children you will be, I don't know how to put it, but they will not experience life as it ought to be. poverty will be following them here and there. No education. You don't even talk about education. So please give birth as you grow and marry. Give birth as much as you can cater for. Give them comfortable life. If it is 2, 3, 4, and as much as you can cater for. Give them comfortable life so that they will be reasonable in life. Okay. Number 8 is ezinụlọ a mụnyere mmadụ ụfọdụ. Mmadụ nọ n'ụbịam na agụụ n'ihi na ezinụlọ amụnyere ha bụ ndị ụbịam na agụụ. So the family you are born into can cause poverty. That's what we call generational poverty and hunger. If you are born in a family that is too poor, you discover that before you recover from it, it will take something. God will be with you before you recover from that. So the kind of families that somebody is born into determine the level of poverty the person experiences. And I believe that you that are listening to me, you are not born into such family. Okay? The next one is ala na ụmụ ihe ndị ọzọ enwere ike ire were nweta ego enweghị nke dị ya ma ọlị. Some people, they are poor, but they have some property like land which they can sell. Now, if they don't have those things, they cannot sell it, so their poverty is worst. So look at this classwork. Number 1, kọwaa ihe bụ ụbịam na agụụ. Explain what ụbịam and hunger is. Number 2, depụta ụzọ ihe ise na-ebute ụbịam na agụụ. Write out 5 things that can cause poverty and hunger. Poverty and hunger. Okay, this is where we will call it a day for today. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn how to read and write Igbo, do well to contact us on 081 33 57 7465 or 070 88 742 960. God bless you. Thank you very much. Pursue knowledge, because that is life.